Dogfight take 2.
Shredder. Shredder.
He ain't so stupid after all, Snoopy. That was a pretty smart move there. Maybe he just plays dumb. Get it, Shredder. Get it, Shredder. Kick it over there. See if we'll go get it. Snoopy. Oh, I thought Tinkerbell was going to take it from him. Get it, Shredder. Get it, Shredder. He's gonna take it to Cage, watch. Oh, maybe not. No, dude. Not on the carpet. Took it out of my hand. Give me it. Give me it. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Get it, Cujo. Shredder's just like, I'm not getting involved again. He's like, no, I don't want none. You can't make me.
What are you doing? Shredder.
That's why I said Snoopy was like boss dogging it. Scared me. It wasn't even look. Get it, Shredder, get it. Get it. Snoopy, you're such a dick. Get it, Shredder. Shredder. Oh, Cujo for the win. Shredder. Yeah. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Ooh. They're actually sharing for a minute. Stick right back in there, Snoopy. Oh, nope, he's not done with the spatula. Now that we wait for something exciting to happen, nothing does. Other than him being smart and actually taking the spatula, that was a pretty good call.
You had your fill of potatoes?
He's just like, I am not fucking around with the potatoes more, and you can't make me.